Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course we have a lot of comments about AI, and a lot of them are negative. There's a lot of people that don't like AI, especially with what happened with OpenAI and a rogue AI that was able to do a lot more than was intended to do. That kind of woke up a lot of people in understanding that AI is getting very powerful. And one of the things AI is in a positive side is in its use to find security flaws. And of course, we've seen today a new version of Chrome, 370 security flaws found. Now, what is interesting, Google also released information about the last two releases together of Google Chrome. They have fixed more than 1,000 security flaws, exactly 1,072 security flaws, and most of it discovered by AI. They even gave a graph of the security flaws that are found, and the fact that this is how it's going now that they're using AI. Look at the number of flaws. It's skyrocketing. It's just amazing the amount of security flaws that it's discovered. And so they're also showing here the total bug count, and the orange line is actually showing you the internal bugs that were found at Google's security research using their own Gemini AI and using different AI models that are specialized into finding security flaws. So this definitely shows how AI is amazingly good at discovering security flaws. And that will be the norm also for Windows. In the future, though, where everybody's wondering, what does that mean for the future? Are we always going to find like thousands of security flaws? Actually, no, because as AI finds all the security flaws, especially a lot of them are security flaws that have been there for years unnoticed. So what's going to happen is that all the old ones are going to eventually, be found, fixed. And what you are going to be left with are just the latest code and the latest security flaws. So what they expect this to do is have a peak. For a little while, there's going to be a lot of security flaws, but this will actually eventually go back down. And that's because all the old bugs will be fixed. What we'll find is mostly new bugs that are in the new code of the browsers. So this is interesting. Another thing that Google is looking at in the Google Chrome browser is the ability to eventually do some kind of background updates that you won't notice, that you won't see happening, and the Chrome browser will not need to be restarted. So they are working on that also to try to lower the impact of all the security flaws being fixed, because right now we might have almost every week 2 security flaw updates, because they will want to fix as fast as possible, but also they don't like the fact that you could fix 5 for 300 at the same time. If you could fix just a smaller number, but more often they prefer that, especially for also the reason of stability in the browser itself. So very interesting to see that AI is improving dramatically the bug fixes and keeping us safe. It's not all bad, as you see. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.